So this is a freedom burger because you have the right to be free to choose which meat you want for your barbecuing on Memorial Day, Labor Day, any holiday that is. So this has bacon, chopped up hot dog, ground beef.
Shit.
It's got jalapeno, grilled onions, and then cheddar cheese in the middle of the burger oozing out. And then you can choose whether you want to put it on an all-American pretzel with cheddar cheese, or if you want to go a little Italian route and get your mozzarella stick bread bun and have your burger on that.
Wow.
Welcome to America. Freedom Burger, go!
And this is how you eat a freedom burger.
I'm free!
America.